Baby, ¿qué quieres el lambón? Si la caga una vez, la caga dos. Te da sexo, pero es sin amor. Es como un perreo sin reggaetón. No hay sentido, ahora tomas porque te ha dolido. Pero ya que tú me ves con otros ojos, baby, deja ese estrés. Que después de las 12.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, share, comment, all that good stuff. Let's keep growing this community together. Shout out to the sponsors of today's video, ASHIMARY HAIR. Thank you guys so much for working with me on this video. So we have a hair video today. They sent over this beautiful wig unit for me to try on for you guys. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this gorgeousness, I know you guys are feeling it as much as I'm feeling it. Please keep watching the video. I am going to tell you guys every single detail about this hair, and everything is also going to be linked in the description box below. So the wig came in this box, and of course there were some goodies sent. I got a robe, eyelashes, a headband, wig caps, razor and a brush, and of course the wig. So this is a 13x6 transparent full lace frontal wig. It's a straight wig, 24 inches and 250 density. The wig cap had about 4 combs inside for grip and also 2 adjustable straps. Next, I want you guys to get into this lace frontal. Guys, the wig came already slightly bleached on the lace and also pre-plucked. And this is how it looks just out of the box on my head. The hairline is really nice, HD transparent lace as I mentioned before. And as you can see, the parting goes really deep inside. For this process, I used this mixture of alcohol, glue spray and foundation as the lace tint. I didn't go into the whole process of tinting this lace, but I used this alternative and it's quite effective. I have to say this is kind of a messy process, but then it does get the job done. And as you can see, in a couple of minutes, I already had a really nice looking tinted lace. I have a whole video on lace tinting and the entire process on my channel, and I will link it if you would like to see that. Next, I went into plucking a bit of the hairline. To be honest, I didn't really need to do much of this, but then I just felt like, just giving it a bit of an extra natural look to the frontal. So I went ahead and I plucked a little bit just for that effect. This lace was quite easy to work with because the roots were not really too tight to pluck out. So that's another thing I did notice about this lace. It was quite easy to work with, and in a couple of minutes I achieved the hairline which I wanted. And then I proceeded to lay my wig with some got2b glue spray. As I mentioned earlier, I have a detailed video about bleaching, plucking and styling a full frontal on my channel, and I'm going to link it in the description box below. And yeah, please enjoy the rest of the process. Thank you.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Oh, oh, te quiero. Dime, baby, ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sí que estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Oh, oh, oh. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor. Yeah, yeah. Lunes. Aquel día el instinto nos decía que esa noche juntico no quería, que las ganas bebé nos ganaría, pero no fue así. Vamos lento, ya que si nos apuramos no disfrutamos del momento, ya y lo vamos a arruinar. Dale lento, ya dile a tus amigas que hoy no vas para afuera, que estás en la escuela y vamos a jugar. Ella sabe que quiero a mi mamacita. Ella también quiere que seamos felices. Ella, la que se apresura a la vueltica. Ella es intimidez. Como la ven, no le importa dónde y cuándo. Pero nada no he hecho, no soy el que la mando. Nunca lo seré, su carácter no es de niña, que la puede controlar cualquiera. Y me encanta, yo lo sé, independiente. Vamos lento y verás. Y me encanta, yo lo sé, independiente. Vamos lento y verás. Vamos lento, ya que si nos apuramos no disfrutamos del momento, ya y lo vamos a arruinar. Dale lento, ya dile a tus amigas que hoy no vas para afuera, que estás en la escuela. Y vamos a los 7 días de la semana, de tu y de mañana. Y consejos sabes que no es, me doy el destino.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Te vas a olvidar de él.